We all know that registering your business on Google is super important because it helps customers locate you locally and it gives visibility to brands. Great way to engage with your customers. Today, I'll be showing you guys how you can register your business on Google for free. First thing, you need to go to business.google.com. I'm going to be leaving the link on the description so it can be easy for you. So click on Start Now and sign in with your email account. After you sign it to your Google account, the next thing will be to enter your business name. So click on Continue. Here you're going to have to choose your business type. Click on Next. Here you have to choose the category your business falls under. In our case, we're registering for a dry cleaning company, so you can just click on Cleaning, or let's say Dry Cleaning. Next. Here's another important part that you don't want to mess up. Here you have to choose your business's location, whether Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, and then carefully input your business address. You don't want to mess this up at all. And click on your local government area. Add you. And make sure to include your postal code if there's any. Here in Lagos. So here you have to include your business's phone number, website, as if your brand has a website. So in this client's case, I'm going to fill all these things later. And now I'm going to skip this and just agree to this and continue. Very important, you need to pass the Google verification process. You have to enter your number and verify your number, but in this case I'm going to verify it later, so I'm going to click on verify later. And here you have to add your services. You need to carefully add services that your company offers. Just click on Next, or you can add a custom service. Click on Next. Here, make sure to include your business hours. Very important. Once you're done, click on Next. So a very crucial and important part of your business, you need to add an SEO optimized description to help your business rank better on Google. So let's say when somebody is looking for a hair salon around them and they come on Google and they type hair salon around me, an SEO optimized description could help your brand rank better on Google. So I'm going to skip that for now. I'm going to add it later. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So for here, you can just add your store's image, sample images, images of the things you've done and all that. So for here, I'm going to click on skip. Click on skip. Continue. So kindly note that your business is not visible on Google yet, but you have to verify your business on Google. Be it verifying their email, verifying the address, then on the verification Google gives you. But that's just it. You just click on get verified. You can just go ahead and just verify it. Verify your businesses on Google. You can verify the phone number. You can verify the address and etc. So that's just it. Bye.